one final thing that we need to do with the scaling is to then reapply that scale to the template so that when you add the template to other recordings it has the correct scaling. So if we just go back into video set, close that, go back into the edit splines, and we have the correct splines here. We've got the correct ruler. So we want to go into keyframes and advanced again, and we want to save, and we can just overwrite the previous template. So to save it as my template again, this time it will have the correct scaling. And then save and close. So if we go into another recording where we haven't, go into another recording where we haven't applied any splines, we can right click, go into edit splines, go into the spline tab and click on new spline, 2D spline from template, and apply the my template. And there we've got that. If we save and close, we can drag up here and you can see that that says 29.5 millimeters, which is seems to be the correct scaling. And you can apply that template to all of the remaining recordings.